Dogs are going to be sailing down the Royal Promenade. So get your sea legs ready and belay your carousing. Shiver me timbers. Let the wind catch your sails. Anchors aweigh. Presenting the Admiral.
Ladies and gentlemen, our guests, boys and girls, and children, it is I, the Admiral, wonderful, doing the untrending worldwide. Ooh, Admiral! Yes, ladies, yes, the master is here, I'm here at the helm. Thank you very much, Admiral. Our mission is clear, to bring you sailors, ropes, and pins from around the sphere, under my command, of course. On your ships, stand by your posts. Hoist the sails up. Aye, aye, sir. Hoist the sails forward. Aye, aye, sir. Hoist the sails top. Hoist the sails port. For this man, let's get rocking. Aye, aye, sir. So he goes. Company is fishermen all of the ship. Come on. so intimidating. Although I must say, I do fancy the one with the shield. Now, can anyone throw up a Viking beer? I'm very close to you. What I must say. There she is. I'm just over. Dangers of another fear. See how I scared them off? I'm still here.
We are the Vikings. Onward, onward, anchors aweigh so.
Ah, the sounds of the Arabian Nights. Our boy Sinbad and the scimitar singing sailors. Sinbad, 3 times fast. Sinbad's adventure personified. Oh, hello, beautiful Serpentina. Neptuna, you're that ship. Talk about hazard being
Rebels, we are rebels. We sail the 7 seas. Any portion we shall find on this sea. Ooh, I'm a rebel, get some kicks now.
Oh, lead the way, Sinbad. Don't these chips look so suave? In a Kyle.
I'm a rebel, get some kicks now.
If Roberts is ever ladies, we do love a silk number. You know, I must improve some of his workouts. Here, I must say, like the punching match chip. Ladies, I'm 50 followers on Instagram.
You pay for those followers.
Don't be chilly next to her. Hashtag iconic. What do we have here?
It looks like the map.
Yes, literally yes. These guys are number one. I'm the radiator. Let's reach the star. Let's get ready. I feel the need. The need. Nice swimming. Lovely work. Drive safe, Ben.
Up and away, over the sea, soaring every day.
Pirates! Oh, Royal Promenade! Learn them all. Learn like that one. Learn like you. Learn like you. The losers. Up there. I got the top one. I wasn't supposed to kiss her anyway. So this gracious impact goes down. Now, once you get past yourselves, you don't want anyone to go too medical. What's going on? where the He's by the six Royal Navy is coming. We'll send you to the march straight down to the ship's loving. That's it, men. Release and please. Bring the tears to my eyes. That's it, men. He's up. Let's show them how tough. Yes, now you'll get them singing. Royal Promenade. Good boy. Now we head off for snipers here. For the one who does stops the death. With a toothbrush. He starts cleaning. And the euros are having more. Very good marching back. In formation. My shoulder. Now my favorite one now. Now I know the last one. Oh, my favorite, yeah. Couldn't come over the side. Ahoy! Trouble all out! And either dancing and riding those cannons, forward the dreadnought.
This is your captain. I can see you from the bridge. What is going on down there on the Royal Promenade? I command you to stop all this fighting at once. You're on a cruise ship, the biggest in the world, I might add. You should all be celebrating.
Aye, aye, all that's all you buccaneers. You heard the captain. Let's toast. Here's to the tall ships. Here's to the small ships. Here's to the ships at sea. And the ships are our friendships. Here's to you and me. Bottom time. Cheers! Let the party begin! Okay, Captain. You don't know. That's only a way. Keep that round of applause going for the Royal Dinner Cats. Our incredible Ice Cats. Our amazing Aqua Cats. And now for the Icon of the Seas Orchestra. A big round of applause, if you will, for our technical stage staff and technicians. And a big round of applause for the hosts of the parade, the Admirable Admiral and Neptuna. Thank you all, we love a parade! Thank you all for joining us for this evening's Chips Ahoy Parade. Oh, we certainly had some fun. But right now, if you're 18 years of age and older, it is time for the only adult game show of the cruise where it gets out of control, wild and crazy, and it is called the Crazy Quest. And it starts in 15 minutes time on deck number 6, all the way aft in absolute zero. While seating last, the Crazy Quest starting at 11 o'clock.